This one is from Modelsvit. This is the new 48 scale P-51H. If you're a collector of Mustangs, you sort of need to add this one to the collection so that you do the range of them. This is a nice kit. There have been a couple of others around. There was a resin one and a plastic one. The plastic one was a bit ho-hum, or very ho-hum, but this is all new tool. This is their own kit. Nice choices of detail, nice choices of markings. So let's have a look in the box. Modelsvit doesn't do the box type ones. So instructions, nice little colour ones, lots of detail. They give you a choice of two flaps, either up or down, so that's pretty cool. Markings are for mostly Air National Guard markings. Air National Guard are the main people that flew these. Even very few actual Air Force squadrons flew them. However, they also include the British one. I believe this is the only one they had, so at least they've thrown the markings in. What's in the bag? Well, there's quite a bit. Flaps, cockpit, drop tanks, undercarriage. This is the fuselage. As you can see by the shape, it's got the Mustang shape, but the H series. All fully engraved. Nice little detail everywhere. There's a few lumps and bumps. I don't know what they are. They might be just little nicks, but all fully detailed in the tail. Everything else, bits and pieces there. One piece lower wing, which will help you get the dihedral correct. Propeller is done in two halves, so you sort of can fit it properly. This is all propeller parts by the look of it. And then you got the two upper wings. There's all the detail here, including the area just near the pause it. Even the area near the wing root actually has the raised section that locks on. Gun bays, wing tips, all very nice, all nicely engraved. Nice, well done there. They also include another little packet. These are your decals. So, decal sheet for there. That's your Air National Guard markings. So you've got a number of choices, different markings, different areas, different groups. We've also got a very nice canopies, either in the open position or the closed position. In fact, I might even keep one canopy for my crappy old kit because that looks much, much nicer. So nice and clear. Easily far better than the older kit, so that's quite nice. And the ubiquitous piece of etched metal. And this one includes seat belts, instrument panel, grills, all that sort of stuff. So, looks to be a very nice kit. From the few reviews I've read so far, like I normally try and have a look at, no great dramas. The gates and that are a little bit bigger than you would expect would get from something like Airfix or something like that. But if you just take your time and use some good sprue cutters or something like that, this should be quite good. Colour callouts are mostly Mr. Colour or AK. So if you need to change them over to other brands, you can do so. Each aircraft has got its own colour guide, so very, very good. It's in stock at the moment. You're looking at about $63, so not bad considering the dollar is so bad that a kit of that size is at that price. So look out for it, drop in and see us, jump online, order it, whichever way you want to go. We'll leave it at that and we'll talk to you another day.